Okay, for this graph, what we want to do is try and locate the minimum or maximum values of the graph on your calculator. And so this function that we're looking at is going to be, y equals 3x squared plus 3x minus 4. And so what we're going to do is just graph that guy. And when you graph it, if there's anything in y1, go ahead and delete it. And if you've got it deleted and cleared out, you just type your function in and choose graph. And we're looking for the vertex on this. So if the vertex isn't visible on your screen to you, one of the things that you can do is you can hit the window key, and then from the window key you can adjust your min and max points for your x and y values and move those around so that you can locate where your minimum or maximum occurs, where your vertex is. So we want to find this min or max or vertex. On this graph, it's a minimum. And to find where that minimum value occurs, hit the second key and trace. And when you hit the second key and trace, that brings up a list of choices here. One of those choices is minimum. Well, we know for this particular graph, that's what we've got. So I'm going to go ahead and choose minimum. And then you have to tell the calculator where to start looking for the minimum. And you have to start looking for the minimum from the left-hand side. So use the arrow keys. Get your spider to the left-hand side of the minimum, choose enter, and then arrow key through the minimum to the other side and choose enter again. And when you do this, it gives you the exact middle of the graph. And so in this case, our minimum value, we have a minimum value and it occurs at negative 0.5. Go ahead and round that off to 0.5 and negative 4.75. That's your minimum value, that's your vertex, that's the solution for this problem. And if we were trying to find a maximum value, if we had a parabola that opened down and we needed a maximum value, it's also in that same place. Hit the second key and hit trace, and one of the options in there is our maximum value. So you can find both things with the exact same steps.